Discover the magic of AI in art. Learn about OpenArt AI tools, packed with creativity that's perfect for artists, designers, and the curious mind. Did you know? OpenArt AI uses a type of neural network called a GAN, or Generative Adversarial Network. GANs have two parts, a generator that creates new images and a discriminator that evaluates them. They train together, pushing each other to get better, much like an artist and a critic working together to perfect their art. Cool, right? OpenArt is a fantastic AI tool that's a direct competitor to Midjourney. It's much simpler to use, much faster, and free for the first 100 credits. You can create some pretty amazing stuff, and today, I want to show you the sketch-to-image feature. Let's dive in. OpenArt AI makes it super easy to transform sketches into detailed images. Just upload a sketch, type a prompt, and let the AI work its magic. You can choose how similar or creative you want the output to be, and pick different styles like fantasy, anime, or photorealistic. It's incredibly versatile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.